Hello stars and hello fellow pageant lovers. This is your Diva Star. This is day 14 of Maria Tisa Manalo in Miss Universe 2025, and earlier today is the much awaited closed door interview, one of the most important events of Miss Universe. For the preliminaries, and this is the ensemble of our queen Maria Tisa Manalo. At first, from afar, I thought it was stars, Diva Star, no, stars. Pero ano pala to? Flowers. Parang Sampaguita, if I'm not mistaken. Sampaguita inspired. Ika nga. Diretsoy na natin. Ang dami ng messages, ang dami ng DMs, ang dami ng mga comments ako nababasa. Personally, not my favorite. Though yung sa fashion show kanina, hindi na nagkaroon ng chance ang ating queen to actually change her ensemble or her gown or her dress because she was part of the last batch of the candidates to be interviewed. Though others, I understand, like Thailand, Venezuela, tumakbo. They managed to be able to change quickly. But ako, ang stand ko dito, even for the interview, this is not my favorite for her. Parang, ito yung sinasabi ko, parang, this is a very important part of the competition. I understand that she's comfortable with it and she likes this one, but I'm not sure kung ilan percent ang say dito ng organization sa pagpili ng mga outfitan, because syempre they're really more experienced kasi ilang taon na silang nagpadala ng mga queens natin sa Miss Universe. But this one, not really okay for me. Hindi ko alam kung saang ruta ba tayo papunta in terms of the type of story that we want to tell, 'di ba? For our representative Atisa this year. I'm sorry, not sorry, but I'm not sold with this one. We have less than a week to go. Babalik na sila sa Bangkok, and yun na yun. Road to the finals na tayo. So nananalig ako. Ang dami nating mga designers, mga Filipino designers dyan who are willing to help, assist, di ba? Let's push our queen to the top. Yun lamang po, di ba? And continue voting pa rin for her. Let me know your thoughts. Do you like this one? Ang medyo naalala ko dito, Glinda or slash Alpha ba? Parang Wicked inspired ba na Sampaguita? I don't know. I'm just not a fan of it. So, bawi tayo ulit. May chance pa. Cheers!